guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to disable or enable Wi-Fi adapter Windows 10. So I hope this video is totally helpful. So please like and comment this video and subscribe our channel. So I'm just click my Wi-Fi adapter and click network setting. So click full screen and advanced network setting, change adapter option. So now I'm just connect Ethernet with Akash broadband network. So I'm just right button click and disable. So this is switching Wi-Fi mode and connect Galaxy M21. This is my phone and automatically connect. So this is the Wi-Fi adapter. Right button click and disable. So now cable connection or Wi-Fi mode to adapter now disable. So I'm totally disconnected of internet. So just I'm connect with my hotspot network and Wi-Fi network, just turn on Wi-Fi adapter and just automatically connect my phone. So now click Ethernet and click enable adapter. So I hope just automatically connect with my broadband network, so with my laptop. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. So goodbye.